buttermilk also. Actually, they have written in Marathi. has arrived, and this is misad that they have added that gathia namkeen, that shaved onion is there, and with 2 pounds. So actually, what I saw, like they have, what they did actually, they put some boiled oil and that green pea, that shave, that gathia namkeen. And suppose if you want, then immediately they will put that hot curry in this, and they will give you immediately. Otherwise, it will become very, what we call, like it will be very soft. It will be not that much of crunchy and crispy. So immediately you have to eat. The smell is really good. See? And I have taken very light because I don't like that much of spicy, and I'm a non-Maharashtrian, so I can't eat that spiciness how they eat. I can't do it. The first bite. Actually, I have not taken spicy. That spiciness is not there. But later I will tell them put little spiciness and that and like if you have also not like this is coming that crunchiness is coming from this misad, and the taste is it goes 10 out of 10. And what is making this misad more spectacles? That shave. Because when you eat with crunchiness, crispy, you like the flavor, and in between that spicy and that khatta, we call it now, that because they have added that lemon, so the taste is really, really wonderful. Definitely next time if you want, I'm already misad, I will come only in Mamdar, because now Mamdar has become my most favorite food in the Thane. Wow, that is really great. And it has located in near, when you will come to the Thane market, when you will come inside and ask someone where is Mamdar, they will tell you. And if you like my video, then like, share and subscribe. Till then I will enjoy my misad with soft power. And if you want to come to the Thane, and good place, staff is really good, and you will have here, enjoy with fun. And till then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video, and I will find for you most the oldest shop in the Thane. So till then, like, share and subscribe, and follow for more. And if you want to follow me, so you can follow me on Insta, and I have a account on Facebook also. Till then, bye.